Warren Buffett was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, USA. He displayed an interest in business and investing from a young age. He started investing in stocks at 11 and later worked as a paperboy and pinball machine salesman. Buffett pursued his education at the University of Pennsylvania and then at Columbia Business School, where he studied under the renowned value investing pioneer Benjamin Graham. Graham's investment philosophy heavily influenced Buffett's approach to investing. Before moving forward, subscribe to our channel, Escalating Wealth, for more exciting videos to boost your wealth. In 1956, Buffett formed the Buffett Partnership Limited, which managed investments for various partners. He employed a value investing strategy, seeking out undervalued companies with solid fundamentals and long-term growth prospects. In 1962, Buffett began accumulating shares of a textile manufacturing company called Berkshire Hathaway. Over time, he gained control of the company. However, the textile industry was struggling, and Buffett eventually shifted the company's focus toward investing in other businesses. Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a holding company for various businesses, including insurance, utilities, manufacturing, and more. He used the profits generated by these businesses to make further investments. One of Buffett's fundamental principles is his long-term investment perspective. He believes in holding on to quality investments for the long haul rather than trying to time the market or make short-term gains. Buffett's investment philosophy is grounded in value investing, which involves finding companies whose intrinsic value is higher than their market value. He looks for companies with substantial competitive advantages, good management, and consistent cash flows. Buffett is a strong advocate of the power of compounding returns. He reinvests his profits from investments into the market, allowing his wealth to grow exponentially over time. Buffett emphasizes the importance of investing in businesses with strong economic moats, which give a company a competitive advantage and protect its market share. While amassing his wealth, Buffett has also been known for his commitment to philanthropy. In 2006, he pledged to donate most of his fortune to charitable causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. From humble beginnings to investment legend, Warren Buffett's journey inspires with its strategic brilliance and commitment to giving back. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more inspiring stories.